Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable the search of all activities and configure default activity search. Salespeople use the activity page to schedule appointments, create tasks, and call reports, and via schedule activities on their calendar. As a sales representative, you typically see your calendar for appointments that you have on your particular day. You can plan your day based on the appointments and the notes of any that you have or want to include in your appointment. Appointments are the part of activities object, and you can either create appointments or import them. Now, first we enable the search of all activities. After that, we will configure the default activity search. Let's move to the application. Let salespeople search all activities by setting up the profile option. So let's see the profile option. Click on setting an action. Click on setup and maintenance. Then select the offering as a sales. Now select the sales foundation. In task area, show all tasks by this select value and then scroll down and then select manage activity profile option. Now scroll down and then select activity enable all records. See, if you want to enable access at the site level, then we have to select yes in profile value. If the value is no, like this, if the value is no, that means salespeople can only search activity they own or associate with a resource. So I go with the yes. You can set profile option either for the whole site or for the individual user. So we can enable the activity option. So click on plus icon over here. In profile level, select user. Let's select the username from the list. Click on search. Let's enter the username. Click on search. Select this one and click on OK. Now select the profile value as a yes. Now I'm done with all my entries. Click on save and close. Let's check. Click on activity enable all records. See, the user is enabled. This username is enabled for activity search. So in this way, we can enable the search of all activities. Click on save and close. Now Let's configure default activity search. So I go with the task. Now click on search. Let's enter the task name, which is manage standard lookups. Click on that. In lookup type, we search for activity filter type. So let's enter the name of lookup type. Click on search. Here you can see the lookup codes, which is over here. The lookup codes are the three types, which is open activities, completed activities, and all activities. Now display sequence. Set the order of that default value to the order in which you want them to appear in the show filter. So you can change this default value by 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3 as you want. You can change it. The application display the first one by default, followed by second one, and then third one. This is the meaning of that filter. So click on save and close. This is all about how to configure the default activity search in Oracle Fusion application. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.